Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make frozen gummy bear Coca Cola. First, gather your ingredients: a bag of gummy bears, a bottle of Coca Cola, and an ice cube tray. Make sure your tray is clean and dry. This simple treat is perfect for a hot day or a fun party. It's a unique twist on a classic soda that everyone will love. Get ready for a sweet and fizzy delight. Now, let's get those gummy bears ready for their transformation. Place about 3 to 5 gummy bears into each section of your ice cube tray. Don't overfill, as the Coca Cola needs space. Next, gently pour Coca Cola into each compartment, covering the gummy bears completely. Place the tray in the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, or until the cubes are fully frozen. Patience is key for this delicious treat. Once your gummy bear Coca Cola cubes are perfectly frozen, it's time to enjoy them. Carefully pop the cubes out of the ice tray. You can serve them directly in a glass of chilled Coca Cola for an extra fizzy experience, or simply enjoy them on their own. The gummy bears will slowly release their flavor as the soda melts. This is a fantastic way to cool down and satisfy your sweet tooth. For the best results, always use fresh Coca Cola to ensure maximum fizz and flavor. You can also experiment with various types of gummy candies, like worms or rings, for different textures. If you want to add another layer of flavor, try a small splash of fruit juice before freezing. This simple trick elevates the taste. Remember, this is a fun and customizable treat for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.